Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and resonating with the readings. Do let me know how you like the readings. And as I said, Oracle reading is coming very soon, so I hope you all enjoy the class and you learn how to make a stronger connect with Ma Kali. Because when my Dashamahavidya course goes, I only talk about the 10 Devis. Here there are these 10 Devis and there are various forms of the Kali Ma in these oracles. So sometimes it becomes, more powerful to connect with all the beautiful forms of this Devi with their individual mantras, with their individual offerings, with their individual ways of seeking the guidance, so that you are so powerful that you have the Vak Siddhi with you, where you are able to successfully predict in a powerful way and in the way that your predictions don't go wrong, and also your clairvoyance levels increases. So let's see what is stored in the cards today. Let's just pick a card to see what Kalima wants to bring in. Okay, that's a beautiful card, Lalita Tripura Sundari. Let's just pick one more card. I always like the Tripura Sundari because she comes when there's a lot of abundance coming. Chamunda has come today. I think in my readings, Chamunda has never come, and this is the first time she's coming. One side, when we see the Tripura Sundari, charming, light, and she is the one who will just, win our hearts. She will be in our hearts and she will make us to come out of any fright, anything that, we need, or anything that is stopping us from growing. Usually she comes when we have been through difficult times and the time has come to an end. Wherein Chamunda, a ferocious warrior goddess, she actually takes her name from Chanda and Munda. Basically, these were two great demons. Maybe when the class happens, I shall be explaining what it is. But Chamunda is a goddess of karmic retribution, I would say. So, time to repay our karmas, time to come out of the karmic blends and to focus on energies. She also comes as a card to tell us that, at times we need to see what is needed to be taken into us if we have made mistakes, to accept those mistakes and to openly say sorry to those whom we have hurt. Sometimes she comes when there is time, when the time has come to become very strong and at the same time handle things in a positive way, but in a very graceful way. Today I feel just chant Chamundaye Kalima Jayama Kali 21 times. I repeat, Chamundaye Kalima Jayama Kali 21 times. If possible, burn a ghee lamp in front of Kalima or in front of your puja room today. In that ghee lamp, add a little bit of honey, a small drop of honey, and one black pepper, and burn it. And tell Kalima that whatever mistakes you have done with or without your knowledge, you are ready for asking forgiveness to the universe. Tell her to forgive you, tell her to make you come out of this karmic retribution which you're going through, and to give you a peaceful and happy life. Today I feel the color needs to be red because a lot of immense energies are needed for you to face your inner fears, for you to face your inner ego, and to accept your mistakes and to be sorry to the universe and to those who have hurt you. Have a beautiful and a blessed day. Thank you.